Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover review menu. Let's begin. There are 5 sections. First section is proofing. Second section is insights. Third section is language. Fourth section is comments. And fifth section is changes. Let's begin with first section, that is proofing. We can check spelling and get words from thesaurus. Next section is insights. We can see definitions, images and other results from online source using Smart Lookup. Next section is language. We can translate selected text into different language using Translate option. Next section is comments. We can add comment using New Comment. We can edit comment, delete comment, navigate to previous comment, and next comment. We can show or hide comments, show all comments, and show or hide ink. Next section is changes. We can prevent unwanted changes to sheet from others using Protect Sheet option. We can protect worksheet and contents of locked cells. We can provide password to unprotect sheet. We can allow all the users of this worksheet to select locked cells, select unlocked cells, format columns, format rows, insert columns, insert rows, insert hyperlinks, delete columns, delete rows, sort, use autofilter, use pivot table and pivot chart, edit objects and edit scenarios. We can prevent unwanted changes to workbook from others using Protect Workbook option. We can protect workbook for structure and windows, and provide password for workbook. We can share workbook with others using Share Workbook option. Under Editing tab, we can allow changes by more than one user at a time. Under Advanced tab, track changes options are keep change history for number of days, or don't keep change history. We can update changes when file is saved automatically every number of minutes specified, which has additional options. Save my changes and see others changes, and just see other users changes. If there is conflicting changes between users, options are ask me which changes when, or changes being saved when. We can include print settings and filter settings in personal view. Under Protect and Share Workbook, we can allow sharing with track changes and provide password for workbook. We can choose people to edit ranges using Allow Users to Edit Ranges option. Under Track Changes, we can highlight changes and accept or reject changes. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can buy ebook on Microsoft Excel interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon, so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.